Yo.
Happy birthday. It's not my birthday.
Yo, what up, niggas? Pero bueno, guys. New day, new opportunities. Ayer price move. Bueno, yo diría que era predecible, to be honest. Porque el precio en ningún momento break structure to the downside. Y sabes. Dame ver, dame ver algo. Bueno, pero hoy, oh, sí, yo no sé qué carajo pasó. 20. Pero hoy no hay noticias. Oh, fuck. No sé. Let's go, let's go.
The chart. Show us the chart. Bitch, let me do my thing first. Bitch, let me just do my thing first. All right, let's see what's going on. 4 hour time frame. What are we
Or
hitting for?
bullish.
We got a breaker structure. We swept out these lows. And on NASDAQ, we're looking bullish. Okay, so we're bullish on both the
Mm-hmm.
4 hour on both 4 hours on the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. Let's look at the hourly time frame. We're bullish on the hourly time frame on ES. We're bullish on
Yeah.
the hourly time frame on
On,
NASDAQ.
on
Beautiful.
NASDAQ.
And we've just retraced into equilibrium from this move up to this move down. So to be honest, this, I mean, bro, this can be as simple, damn, and stacked up session highs. Oh, dude, I just want to long this shit, bro. That's what I want. I want longs, bro.
Me too, G.
I just want to be able to take some freaking longs. We got stacked up session highs. This looks great. Bearish SMT, fuck you. Sorry. I mean, that, yeah. I mean, yeah. sorry. That was rude. That was rude, but I mean, technically, oh shit, I wasn't recording for YouTube. See, there's a million things because you guys are so freaking needy. There's a million things that I need to do. I need to record for YouTube. Then I need to turn on the stream. Then I need to make sure that I post on my Instagram that I'm streaming. And then I need to make sure that all of my freaking accounts are all set up so that you guys can see just every ounce of proof that I'm actually doing this shit. It's like, god damn, bro. Anyways, yes, on during London session, we did come up and take out these Asia session highs during London session on ES, and we failed to take them out on Nasdaq. However, just because we push past these highs on ES and don't push past them yet on
Okay.
Nasdaq doesn't mean that it's like a confirmed bearish SMT. Okay. Um, in my eyes, for it to be a confirmed bearish SMT, I would want to see us disrespect this 15-minute gap because then that would tell me like, okay, cool, we definitely want to go lower on the high time frame. Like we definitely just want to go and target, boom, London low, hourly low, and Asia low. So realistically, what that would look like for me would be a 5 minute break of structure to the upside, and then it would be like a 5 minute break to the upside, and then when the 5 minute is supposed to be filling a 5 minute fair value gap,
We
boom, we
inverse it.
inverse it. That would be a short entry down to these lows.
Okay.
And then also, what we're setting up for currently, the long entry would be a 5 minute break of structure to the upside because, I mean, keep in mind, guys, we're bullish on the 4 hour and we're bullish on the 1 hour. So high time frame holds higher power. I would rather be bullish than bearish today. So if we end up breaking structure to the upside on the 5 minute and then come down into a 5 minute gap and then bink, boom, get that move up, I want to target these highs. So really all that we're waiting for is the 5-minute break of structure to the upside, and then whatever confluence that it's coming into is going to be the key point in the pivotal movement
Yes,
for
sirski.
us to be able to decide, okay, are we going to go higher to target these highs, or are we going to go lower to target these lows? Really, whatever gap is supposed, whenever we get the change in order flow to the upside on either of these indexes, we're really just going to be waiting for that bullish confluence to either get disrespected or to get respected, and that's the trade that we're going to take. Cool? Cool. Awesome. So we know where we want to take the trade.
Qué rico, mío, pap.
Why aren't you jacked like your brother? Bro, I mean, to be fair, my brother is probably one of the most jacked individuals I know. And he's also natty. Like, I mean, and he's in the gym. That's the thing. Like, I don't love working out as much as he does. And I think he has just keeping it a buck. I don't care if he sees this as like a clip. I think he has OCD to the point where it's related to health. So like he weighs out literally every single thing that he eats. He weighs out. Like I'm talking about literally everything. Weighs out the exact grams of a banana. Weighs out the exact grams of the grains of rice that he's putting in his body. Weighs out the exact, quite literally everything that is going into his body. And then not only that, his training is overly locked in. It's called discipline. Yeah. So again, I'm explaining why I'm not as jacked as him. He has extreme discipline in that area of his life. And he also has extreme discipline in other areas of it in his life. Me personally, it's not worth but like spending as much time and thought on what am I eating and weighing out every single thing. Excuses. I mean, no, it's just like my personal opinion. Bro, when I was in high school, I used to do the same shit. I was weighing everything out. But then, you know, obviously I started making money, and then weighing everything out, I realized in making all of the food at home, it takes more time out of my day. And for me personally, growing my business, growing my bank account is
oh yeah, I got you.
Above my health right now. I'm not saying long term, I'm just saying right now. And health is still number 2. Like, bro, I get 15 to 20,000 steps per day. So I'm doing cardio, I'm going to the gym, I'm working out, and I'm eating relatively healthy. I don't eat like shit. I just don't weigh out to the absolute gram how much food that I'm eating. And I'm also not working out for 3 hours when I go in the gym. Because personally, I just don't want to, not that I don't have the time, I don't want to allocate my time
So sí, mira,
3 hours in the gym.
en mi funded account right now,
slightly less results by just working out for an hour 30 minutes.
The fuck?
Getting 10,000 to 20,000 steps per day, and not
estoy 700 en drawdown, yo creo.
Like whatever, an extra 3 to
No sé
4
cómo es
hours
esto.
of my day focused on having the most chiseled, insane, rock solid physique. He likes that. That's his focus. He's also super focused in his work. But
Viste, 49,000.
for me,
oh my god, bro, no sé. Vamos a
I
hacer la suma.
prioritize work over the gym. Shut the fuck up and trade. Okay. Mods, ban that guy and touch him inappropriately.
Me quedan 1200 de drawdown. Bueno, 1300 de drawdown. So que para ser exacto, tengo que perder 5 veces. No. Tengo que perder 4 veces más para perder la cuenta. So que
yeah, he just loves it. See, that's the thing. Like, not that I don't like going to the gym. it's just like I don't like it enough to be in that bitch for 3 hours, you know? Fake brother, demo brother, AI brother. Okay.
Oh fuck.
See, this is what has happened. Use the primal diet from Ajnos Vonder Planets Trust. No, that dude sounds like he eats human feces and says that it's all natural. I'm all good off of Arnold's fucking schwazzes. Is Timmy more jacked? Why is Timmy more jacked than you? I don't know. Maybe because he's a foot shorter than me and he's on fucking Anavar and testosterone. If you compress me down to his size, I would respectfully be bigger than him. You count your steps manually? Yes, when I'm on my walks, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flex on camera? Fine. Ready? Is TJR the next top
Vamos,
monitor?
en 30 segundos.
Ready?
Yo, what the fuck? Hell no.
That's
Oh,
right.
he kind of.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Oh. Oh. That's right. That's right. It's a decent physique. It's a decent physique. It's nothing special, but guess what? But guess what? I have this physique with a big bankroll. That's all that matters.
Oh shit.
Liquidated all over my screen. Okay.
NQ is shit in the bed, bro.
It's AI.
Ooh.
Oh.
So let's empty the virgins. Might get open, might get open, might get open. Come on, bro.
You smoke cigarettes?
Hell no.
I'm not saying that I've never smoked a cigarette in my life, but I don't smoke cigarettes like daily or even weekly. The only time that I'll smoke a cig is like if I'm out at a party for real, which is like once every 2 to 3 months. You're built like Jack Doherty. What does that even mean? Why are you capping? Why would I lie about smoking cigarettes, bro? You think that I give a fuck about telling you guys if I smoke cigarettes or not? You guys are so dumb, bro. How to fix over trading? I don't know. Maybe turn your computer off. Turn your computer off and delete the app that you know what? You guys literally, it's the simplest solutions to your guys' problems. You guys realize that your problems are the easiest, most simple problems to solve. And I'm not trying to be rude. I'm going to phrase this in the best way possible. Okay. Hey TJR, I can't stop over trading and I have horrible risk management. Do you realize how easy those problems are to solve? You keep over trading. Awesome. New rule. You're only allowed to take 1 trade per day. How difficult is that to stick to? That's a simple discipline issue. You take 1 trade, you either win or you lose, and then you delete the app. You throw your computer out the window. You turn your computer off. You put parental restrictions on your phone so that you're no longer able to open the app. You sign out of TradingView. You sign out of the funded account platforms. It's that simple. Oh, I keep over risking on trades. Bro, if you keep over risking on trades, it's literally as simple as setting your take profit and setting your stop loss and seeing exactly how much you're risking. Risk 1% of your account or less. You can literally pull up the risk management thing on the side and
Alright.
see exactly how much you're risking.
Mm.
At the end of the day, the only thing stopping you guys from getting to your goals right now are these problems that you say you have, but it's all just because
Oh,
you guys
shit,
are
mira.
undisciplined as
Yo no
fuck.
sabía eso, ¿eh?
Oh, I can't stop over trading. Whose fault is that? It's not the chart's
Me
fault.
lo pones solo. I
It's
love this
not
shit.
the funded account's fault. It's not your broker's fault. It's your fault because you go and you press the fucking button. Like, literally just take your hand off the mouse and stop. It's as simple as that. Just stop. I don't know how else to tell it to y'all.
Me gusta, ¿eh? I didn't know. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so market opened.
Fuck.
NASDAQ swept
ES,
out these lows,
ES swept out these highs.
while ES is obviously far above them. Could be one of two things here. Could be us wanting to go lower. Could be, I mean, yeah, we're either going to go lower or higher, obviously.
Yeah.
But I'm going to explain both the scenarios.
Mhm.
Either we sweep out this high, and
And
then
we
we get
go.
capitulation down, and we put in basically a bearish SMT,
Okay.
or we break structure to the upside, and this is a sweep, and this ends up being a bullish SMT. A lot of you guys, this happens to a lot of you guys. You guys get on the charts and you focus on whatever your bias is for that day. So if I had a bullish bias, what would I be focused on? I would be focused on the potential bullish SMT that we put in. Okay.
But
from
if
this
we
low
break
down
structure to
this
the
low,
upside, eso es
from
que ya
this
me está
low up to this
confirmando
low.
el SMT, you
But
know?
what you guys potentially might miss is that we also have a potential bearish SMT. So we have SMTs in both directions. And a lot of you guys end up missing shit like that because you're just so focused on whatever you want the market to do for that day. Instead of you wanting the market to do something, just wait for the market to show you what it wants to do. Because at the end of the day, the market isn't going to do what we want 10 times out of 10. I can sit on here and I can say, yeah, I want price to break structure to the upside and then retrace into a gap to give me perfect longs up to these draws and liquidity up here. But is the market going to be forced to do that? No, that's just my ideal trade that I would want for this day. So we just have to wait until price tells us what it wants to do. For real.
For real, for real. Well, next week, ¿cómo está?
So let's see. If we can get a 5-minute break of structure to the upside, that would be awesome. That would be one step in the right direction for us.
Oh, tiene un break of structure to the upside.
4-month sub. 4-month sub. 4-month sub. What about news? I'm pretty sure there's no news today, buddy. Come on, bruh. See, why am I even... Why am I even listening? Why am I even listening to the people? Why is the 8 a.m. high marked out as London high? I mean, sure, you can call it London or pre-market. It's still a draw on liquidity regardless. Are you bothered about orange folder news in 10 minutes? No, because it's going to happen in 10 minutes and it's probably not going to do shit to the market. And I'm probably not going to be in a trade by the time that comes out. It's yellow PMI. Yeah, so who gives a fuck about low impact news? That's like saying, oh my gosh, it's going to rain today. Oh my gosh, it's going to rain today. Should we evacuate the city? Should we evacuate the town? Like, no, bro, that shit is not a hurricane. Rain might cause a flood, bro. Okay, Well, this is like a fucking drizzle. Also, what like that was just an analogy, bro. Just take the analogy and learn from it, please. I don't need the weatherman. I don't need the fucking weatherman to tell me
No, it's fuck.
what rain could do. Come on, bro. Nigga talking about rain could cause a flood. Like, just listen. Just take the fucking analogy, please.
Careful of your wrist.
Is it true that you have beef with Eneli Chapa? I've never even said his name once on like a YouTube video or a stream, like ever. Hey, thank you for the gifted sub. Thank you, Peron146 for the gifted sub. On the yearly time frame, we're bullish. Oh shit, long that shit then.
Bro, qué cagar, bro. Holy fuck. Bullish SMT-ski. Okay, we break structure to the upside. Bullish SMT-ski. We break structure to the upside on both indexes right now. Productive and retrace NES. Come on. Ooh, oh fuck. Okay.
We got to break a structure to the upside.
Esta puesta que equilibrio está literalmente. Oh, fuck. Hell no.
Thank you for the gifted sub. Thank you, Lix117 for the gifted sub.
Como que tengo que. Oh fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh my god, I shit myself. Uf. Ay, bro, no way que vamos a tocar estos London Highs without me.
Why is everyone calling you Diddy 2.0? What? What are you talking about? Full port that bitch? Alright, bro. Nah, so we got a 5-minute break of structure to the upside. That's what I wanted, because we can focus on all of these draws and liquidity to the upside.
Yes, sir.
Now, all I want is a
retrace
downside on the 1 minute or some sort of inverse gap. Right now, we don't have any gaps for us to inverse on the 1 minute. To retrace into a 5-minute confluence. TJR, you don't know shit about the market. And why the fuck are you on here trying to learn from me talking about the market? Makes you look really fucking dumb, doesn't it? Going long right now.
No way, bro. Que tú di que va a traducir el video.
Ahora potencialmente, eventualmente, pronto potencialmente, eventualmente. Potencialmente, eventualmente.
No way, that's crazy. What the? Yes, what the fuck?
Trump is tweeting. 3-second reversal. Oh man. You know what's funny? The best part about TJR live streams, bro.
La mejor parte de las transmisiones en vivo de TJR es cuando la transmisión termina a lo largo de todo el día. Literalmente todo el día. La gente está en el chat hablando sobre la acción del precio. Hermano, vine a mi escritorio.
Came to my desk. It's like 3 p.m. 2 hours until the market is supposed to close. And everybody is in the chat just talking about everyone in the chat is talking about, bro, should I hold these longs? And someone's like, no, bro, I'm in shorts right now. We're definitely going to take out these lows. And the dude's like, oh shit, okay, bet. I closed my longs, I'm in shorts. And then that shit shoots up and both of them just start beefing with each other. And it's like, what, bro?
No way, bro.
Like, it's the blind leading the blind.
Bro, hay
Like,
cara,
people
loco,
dead
tengo que
ass
hacer
go
shit,
into
bro. Oh my god.
TJR's kick chat
No way,
to
bro.
try and take signals. It's like unprofitable traders going into TJR's kick chat to take signals from other unprofitable traders. Because, like, if you were actually good at this shit, why would you be in the kick chat talking about price action? Like, you would just be doing that shit on your own. That's actually fucked. I mean, bro, people dead ass are doing it. Look, literally test that shit out, bro. Later in the day, I promise you, bro. I promise you on everything.
Damn.
Later in the day, you're going to go into the kick chat and you're going to be able to see that shit. At like 2 p.m., 3 p.m., this shit is firing, bro. Just the blind leading the blind. I'm the best trader in the world. I've never lost in a year.
Oh, fuck.
Like, what?
Damn, what the fuck?
Show me, bro, send me a band then. Send me a band, bro. In a year, literally. Okay, cool. Let's see if we get a break of structure to the downside.
Please.
Price sweeps those London highs. Should I just be done or try and ride price action to Asia highs? I mean, bro, we're looking for the same trade, so we can just wait and see. We can wait and see how price looks.
Bueno, ¿quién es? Parece que vamos a break structure to the
TJR
downside.
begging for money. I mean, bro, he hasn't lost a trade in a year. Send me a band, bro. Okay, cool. So let's see if we can get a break to the downside here.
Nope. Damn, bro. No way. Going higher without me, bro. Without getting my retrace, G.
We have a 5-minute gap here as well. ES. We don't have any gaps on ES. No break on NASDAQ.
Damn, bro. Now we're getting killed, G.
No break on NASDAQ.
Now he's going to touch this London highs without us. Bro, I gotta shit, bro. Tengo que hacer shit.
I need the time machine. Dog shit RR. What are you there wasn't even a risk to reward tool on the screen, bro. What are you talking about?
Okay.
Bro said dog shit RR.
NASDAQ we touch London highs.
Did we even put a risk to reward tool on the screen, twin? Actually, no, you're not my twin.
Fuck, bro. Fuck.
You're the fucking hobo.
Fuck. Bro, oh my god. Look,
We're real close to these London session highs.
I'm going to
Let's
shit
see if we
myself.
grab them. So we took them out on NASDAQ.
But en ES todavía no.
We still have potential to take them out on ES. I personally haven't seen an entry yet.
Me neither. Me neither, G.
I personally have not been able to see an entry yet.
Bro, oh my god, bro. If NQ touch Asia highs, are we pissed? I will be pissed. Bro, chill out, G.
Should have been up only on the 5-minute.
Yeah, bro. Like, what the fuck?
How do you use the time machine?
Okay.
It's like
Okay.
an hour before market opens. I just hop in that shit, go forward in the future to see what price wants to do, and then I come
Go
back
back.
on stream, and then pretend I'm marking out different things. I just pretend, bro.
Okay. What the fuck?
JR, you missed longs. I mean, sure, my strategy never presented itself, so super frustrating when we don't get a retrace. Then I FOMO trade and lose. You realize what you just said? You're the issue, bro. You are the issue. It's super frustrating when we don't get a retrace and then you FOMO a trade and then lose.
Bro, tengo que shit.
I haven't seen my entry, so
No puedo, G.
I didn't take it. You missed shorts, bro? Maybe I did miss shorts. I mean, it's still really early into market open. Like, it's 9:50 right now, so price has, like, not, I mean, in my opinion, hasn't really given us the majority of what it could give us. Still have potential for a 5-minute retracement, all of that. So ES took out these London highs. I just need a 1-minute breaker structure to the downside or inverse fair value gap to give me a proper 5-minute retrace. Why didn't you long that? You're so stupid. You're so ass. If I'm so ass and I didn't long it, then doesn't that mean you're ass too because you didn't long it? I didn't see my setup, bro. So I didn't take the trade. It's called having patience. Something a lot of you guys don't have. I'm so much better at trading. Bet, bro. Then turn the stream off and trade for yourself. It's literally as simple as that. Like, if you're better at trading than me, then bet, bro. Why are you in here? Like, if like do you like I would never go onto some other trader's live stream. Boom. Now we might be getting my entry. Let's see what we got going on here. Now I might be getting my entry. Oops. Okay. So we inverse this gap to the downside. Equilibrium on this is right at this fair value gap right here. So I kind of want price to go lower to take that gap. We're filling this little 5-minute gap right here on ES. Let's see what happens. All right. To be honest, bro, I kind of want price to go lower. kind of want price to go lower still. I want like all of these lows and then
Okay.
this 5-minute gap.
I'm back, I'm back. I'm back, G. Cagué súper
man.
rápido.
I'll BRB. I'm taking a piss.
Ok. Hacho, en verdad me gustaría bajar como él dijo, go lower. Y bueno, equilibrium aquí. En el Q está acá. NES, yo creo que todavía hemos tocado equilibrium. Pero tocamos el Fair Valley Gap. Y voy a inverse este gap.
Oh man. Alright, so we're going lower here. That's what I wanted. I want to take out this low, and then this wick to fill this.
No, we're talking.
I mean, realistically, we don't have to go that low, but that's what I would want.
Come on, G. Ya mismo cierra el de una hora. También se da la posibilidad de que we swept out estos highs para then go lower, you know? Let's see.
Come to Jerusalem? What's in
Jason Derulo.
I'm not saying I don't want to go. I'm just like, what's there? What is there?
Sí, si yo quiero arriesgar 1500. Viste,
Alright,
mira,
let's see
la
if
rica
this wick blows
perfecto.
out.
Oh
That's
my
kind of what I
god.
want.
Perfecto.
Dump it.
One.
See, guys? All of you guys were saying take longs up here. And I didn't see my entry yet because I'm a patient trader. Because I actually follow my rules. Dump it. Take out all these lows. Nice. We took out one of them. Dump it. Take out the other one.
Oh my god.
Dump it. Your rules worked 20 minutes ago. My rules say that I shouldn't be trading until 9:50. So how did my rules work at 9:35?
Come on, man.
One of my rules is to not trade.
Ok, tocamos Equilibrium. Tocamos Fair Valley Gap, ok.
I just be getting rage baited, bro. Okay, cool. We're in this 5-minute gap. Now, what we're going to need to see is price going to inverse this gap lower
Or respect it.
so that we can take out all of this low resistance draws on liquidity because we just swept out high time frame highs? Or are we going to respect this gap and continue higher to take out these highs and to take out these highs up here?
Yes, sir, Ski. Let's see.
That's the question. That's the question of the day. So we took out all of those lows that I wanted. Now I
I'd
just
say
want to see if price
respect this gap.
wants to go higher or if it just wants to continue respecting bearish confluences to disrespect this 5-minute gap. And then if we disrespect that 5-minute gap, that opens the door up for a whole lot of conversation for us.
We're como capuchainita. What the fuck? Perdón. Ya lo se me olvidó que estaba grabando, bro. What the fuck?
Minute 54. Okay.
Like, come on, man. Ugh. Bueno, if we inverse este gap en yes, like, eso shake las cosas un poquito, a little bit.
See what happens. Let's see if we inverse this gap.
Pero we could target these low resistance liquidity, estos lows, este low, este low, este low, este low, este low. You know? Porque we already swept out some draws, you know?
Let's see if we inverse it.
Let's see. Uf. We didn't. Bueno, tenemos un minuto más.
All right, so we went all the way to the bottom of the gap. Now, ideally, if we want this to go higher,
We want to break
rotate
structure aquí. Yes, aquí este high.
See if we inverse it. If we inverse it on both the indexes,
It's looking
I
nice.
need to wait for a couple more things, because that would mean that we're extended down on this. So honestly, I think that ES will probably end up inversing this. The main one that I want to see is NASDAQ.
Ooh, NASDAQ inverse it, okay.
Inverse this to the downside.
Okay, NASDAQ inverse it. Y no me importa esto ya. Ahora quiero ver some type of retrace.
2, 1, what did we do? Bruh. Okay, so we inversed it to the downside. We inversed this gap motion. Okay, so
Motion.
I'm going to be flipping bearish now.
Me too. We got this draw.
Now, what I'll probably
This
want,
draw.
because we inversed this gap, I'm going to want the same exact thing that I wanted from the upside situation to the downside situation. So because we're already extending down on the 5-minute,
so I want some type of retrace.
And I would assume that price is going to want to fake people out. Convince people that price is going to go higher. So whatever, we'll get this extension down. Hopefully it doesn't go too freaking crazy like it is currently.
I hope so.
And I'm going to want to see some form of a 5-minute retrace or some form of a move up to just give me an optimal entry. So we inverse the gap on ES, inverse the gap on NASDAQ. Awesome. And then we have all of these low resistance lows stacked up. And NASDAQ looks like it's the more bearish index. So
good shit.
if I want to take shorts, it's going to be on NASDAQ. Obviously, the opportunity has to present itself. We have previous day low, Asia session low, London low, and then an hourly low right there. London session low pretty much caps off the bottom of all of these low resistance draws on liquidity right here. So because of that, I'll probably just have London session low as my first take profit.
Un ejemplo, vamos a ver, boom, stop loss, no sé acá.
But I want to see 5-minute retrace.
En verdad, veremos a ver.
Just failed my combine. Bro, like.
Yo también quiero ver un 5-minute retrace.
I mean, the entire time we were being patient, Timmy just blew his live. Oh my god. I hope that's not true. I really hope that's not true. Okay, nice. So I want a decent retrace here.
Or if yes, inverse this gap.
I shorted. Bro bottom ticked the short. Bro, like, I mean, there's no saving y'all. There's no saving. There's no saving y'all.
carajo. Damn, 3 M's. Damn.
Let's see what we get going on. I personally want a full-fledged 5-minute candle to the upside. Yeah, like this. Like I personally want a 5-minute candle to the upside, or just like inverse this gap to the upside. That's what I would want. If we can
Viste,
inverse this
en
gap, that would
ES.
be nice. Did we inverse it on ES? Nope, not
Nope.
quite. But I want a deep 5-minute retrace. Let's put on equilibrium real quick.
Me too. Let's put
Okay, so
on
equilibrium is right
equilibrium real
above
quick.
this. So if we can smack that, that'll be good. Equilibrium here.
Aquí.
It's right here. That's good.
Let me
All right,
touch
cool,
it.
boys. We're looking good. So we hit equilibrium on ES.
But we didn't inverse this gap. If we inverse aquí, we're looking good, G. Fuck. Ah. Respetamos este gap. Oh, fuck. Vamos a ver qué hacemos de este gap después.
Is that a gap? Barely. I'd rather just wait for this one to get inversed. Okay. We don't really have a gap on ES, so I'll use
Ooh,
the
okay.
So the line would be right
Y
here.
también tenemos este gap,
Unless we just put it
¿verdad?
below.
Sí. Está en line con el fair value gap, el equilibrium. Okay.
Bet, yeah, put it in a
It's
low.
looking nice.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Hell yeah. If you break structure to the upside,
We could
you're
put in a low
looking
up here, though.
nice, baby girl. Okay.
I would prefer that. So we're getting that 5-minute retrace right
Like
now.
two. Si empezamos a break structure to the downside right now, we're going lower.
All of these stacked up draws and liquidity.
Pero si no hemos tocado equilibrium ni fair value gap, so que we need to be
Okay, so we're putting
patient.
this low on NASDAQ. That's great.
Pero en Q ya me
we're
tocó el
putting this low,
equilibrium.
That's great. Perfect. Now I'm just looking for a change of order flow to the downside on the 1 minute, and then I'm gonna short that bitch. Fuck it. And ideally, I'm going to be looking for it on NASDAQ.
Some more bearish index. No sé, should I wait? El break también aquí en ES. Fuck. No break in ES. Nasdaq with a break. Fuck it.
Okay, did we inverse? No, we didn't break it on ES. I kind of want to wait just in case.
Quiero ser más paciente, quiero ser
Wanna
más
wait
paciente.
for ES to for sure break it.
Quiero que ES haga el break of structure for sure 100%. No.
I want to wait for ES to for sure break it, because if we don't, then, you know,
Going,
indexes are not aligned.
yes, sirski. Por lo menos Nasdaq ya está bearish.
No break on ES.
Quiero ser
New
más
low now.
paciente. Maybe solamente, maybe NQ quería tocar el equilibrium plus this fair value gap, igual que
Staying
ES.
patient here.
Y quería hacer el retrace bien con el break of structure to the upside. So, okay. Staying super patient right now. Super patient right now.
Someone deadass just said, how can I fast forward the stream to when he enters? Bro, just use a time machine.
Okay, fuck. If we inverse this gap, we're going higher.
Just use a time machine, bro.
Si no respetamos este gap, brother, we're going fucking higher. Like, what the fuck?
Okay, staying patient, staying patient.
Me encantaría si tocamos este Fair Valley Gap. Y Equilibrium. Would be nice. Would be pretty nice. Mira, yo pensé entrar aquí. Pero como ES no había hecho el break.
Below the 5-minute opening candles close to look for entry. I don't know what the fuck that's talking about. 5-minute opening candles close. I don't trade that way. So I don't know what that is.
Tenemos este gap. Igual aquí en ES. Let's see si nos respetamos este gap. Keep a break structure to the upside. Si nosotros vimos este gap en ES y en el Nasdaq, I'm shorting that bitch.
Claude code. Now you're always with me. The holy parasocial. Holy parasocial, bro. All right, let's see it. I want to inverse this gap. Can we inverse this gap on both the indexes? Nasdaq, it's looking good. ES, it's looking good.
Fuck. ES not looking good, G.
Inverse it.
Nasdaq todavía no la inverse. Ok, tenemos tiempo todavía. Yo creo que no tocaba el gap. That's crazy.
Bruh, come on. Yes, we respected it. Nasdaq, we damn near inversed it. Come on, yes, just inverse it, buddy.
Inverse that bitch.
They are the jungle people of the Amazon rainforest love you. How do you guys have connection?
Come on, bro. If we inverse this bitch aquí en ES, I'm shorting that bitch. Bro, no fucking way. If we inverse aquí en el Nasdaq.
Come on, bro. Oh my god.
Be patient. Me gustaría ver que ES break structure to the 1 minute.
Wait, bro. Continuing to watch and wait.
Come on, man. Oh my god, bro. No fucking way. No fucking way, bro. Come on, bro.
Dump it! Inverse. Bro. Oh my bruh.
No way, bro. No way, no way, no way. That's fucking crazy.
Overly edged. We're just waiting, bro. We're just waiting.
No hay ningún gap aquí, ¿verdad? No. Oh my god, bro. Please, bro, give me my entry.
Holy edger.
Acho, vamos a ser pacientes. Vamos a esperar que pueda bajar el precio, no del break of structure.
Come on, bro.
Si no me lo da antes de las 10:30, I'm the fuck out, bro. Yo me voy para el
Oh
carajo.
my days. Yo, can we please just dump it?
Oh my god, sí,
We're literally
sí.
just waiting for ES, bro.
Yo quiero que ES esté correlado con Nasdaq. Please, bro. It's not that difficult, G. It's not that difficult, G. Oh, bueno, este es el segundo high, ¿eh? Kind of looking juicy. Oh, el 300. Bro, oh my fucking god.
Bro! Oh, bro.
O cámara, tenemos equal lows. Tenemos equal lows, bro. Sí, 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 tenemos equal lows.
Yo! Are we being dead ass right now? Nah, this is crazy, bruh.
Bro. Yo creo que if we invest this gap, we're going higher, G. Porque en ES, we break structure to the upside.
Should we just long that bitch, fuck it?
No, bro, no.
Low key,
Chill out.
right? Nasdaq inverses this gap. Nasdaq no inverse yet.
Or maybe ES quiere hacer break of structure to the upside in 1 minute para then go lower.
See what happens off these highs.
Come on, let's see. Alcanzamos de este gap. Bro, if we invest this gap in ES, I'm shorting that bitch. What the fuck, man? Bro, if we break above these highs. Como que muchas líneas rojas, ¿no? Like, I'm un poquito perdido.
I'm just genuinely just waiting, bro. Genuinely waiting. Because I haven't seen shit. I haven't seen shit yet, so...
Me too, bro.
You know, if I don't see anything, then there's just no reason to take nothing.
Please. Yo diría que si ES inverse este gap, I'm shorting that bitch and then Q, bro.
Here we go. Inverse this gap, ES. Inverse this gap. Come on, one more candle down. Yeah, buddy. Yup. Come on, buddy. Inverse it, inverse it, inverse it.
Oh, it's looking like we're going to inverse it, okay? Come on, G, come on. Come on. Inverse it. Inverse it. Come on, bro.
12, 11, 10. Come on. Don't do this again, bro.
No way, bro.
Just do it
Bro.
right now. Yes.
So nosotros inverse este gap aquí en el Nasdaq.
You are genuinely capping, bro.
Wait, bro. No way.
Oh my days, bro. Are we being so
Oh
serious,
my
bro?
God.
Are we actually, bro? Just enter, bitch. There's a reason why I haven't entered yet, and it's clear because price keeps just going chopping, bro. Had we entered into any of this, it would have been a horrible entry. Oh my God.
Bro, no fucking way, bro. Tómala. Okay. Oh shit. If we break structure.
Holy inverse to the upside. Please, bro. Yes, all we're waiting for is you, dog. All we are waiting for is you.
Come on, G. ¿Verdad? Como los linglings. Ok, no, me gusta así, mejor. Bro, oh my fucking God, bro. 22.9 hemos
on,
movido. A ver. Oh, 130. Come on, man. Break structure, please. Come on, man. Come on, man. Right here, man.
Come on, man.
Right here, man.
Please, yes.
Please, oh my God.
Do it. Imagine we wait this long to be able to take our trade, and then I just end up getting stopped out.
Nah, that's crazy. That would be crazy.
Fully a possibility, by the way.
¿Verdad que sí?
Oh my God. Bro.
Shit. EQL.
This is truly insane.
Bro, oh my fucking god. 55 seconds. Insane. Insanity. Insanity, bro.
Should we just long that bitch?
Fuck it.
Low key, right? Come on, bro. We gotta see how this what this 5 minutes hitting for. If we break 5 minute structure to the upside, I'm genuinely looking to long that bitch.
Nah, man. It's fucking crazy. Why don't you be on retrace? Okay, aquí we break structure to the upside.
Bro. It's not worth it.
Let's see.
They should just, bro, I mean, hey, bro, staying patient has saved us through all of this chop. So, again, I would rather be patient.
Let's wait for some type of retrace.
Gotta see what NASDAQ does off these highs.
Estuviese todavía en el trade, ¿eh? Si hubiese entrado que sí, por ejemplo, aquí. Puesto mis stops acá.
What we saying about these highs, NASDAQ? I know that NASDAQ's going to want to grab these highs, bare minimum. Bare minimum, NASDAQ's going to want to grab those highs. So shit. If we come down, fill this gap, maybe just long that bitch. I don't know. The only problem is if NASDAQ comes up and sweeps out these highs, or when NASDAQ comes up and sweeps out these highs, still a 5 minute manipulation, and we very well could go lower. So, I mean, bro, I'm
Oh
genuinely just
my
sitting on
god.
it, trying to see what price is going to do. Any trades today? Nope, not yet. Staying patient. Staying patient.
Super fucking patient, G.
Okay, cool.
Oh
So we
my
grab these highs.
god, man.
This is like the important thing. Are we going to break up and cook up to the upside? Or are we going to sweep these highs and then rotate down? That's the big kicker. Maybe this is the moment of truth. Are we going to break structure? Holy shit, it might happen. Okay.
Nah, that's crazy.
All right, I'm in.
Nah, bro. Let's see. Okay.
Let's see what happens here.
Nah, man. To me, this shit looking like, I don't know, bro. They will break structure, again, yes. El Nasdaq seguimos bearish. Digo, bueno, seguimos bullish, to be honest. Solamente nosotros
Okay,
inverse
so
este
we have
gap.
all of these low resistance lows. Now that I'm finally in this, I can think. I low-key didn't want to take this on NASDAQ. I low-key should have taken it on mini. Fuck. What do I do? How much would this L be? 800? Fuck it, bro.
Vamos a ver, if we inverse este gap right here, I'm long in that bitch. Fuck it.
800. What would this put me at? That'll put me at. Yeah, fuck it.
100. Hasta estos highs.
Just so that I can take partials. Alright.
Vamos a ver si Nasdaq hace un break of structure to the
Let's
upside.
see
I'm
what
long in that
happens.
bitch.
Could end up being completely wrong about this. We could end up going and just inversing this 5-minute gap to the upside. And then I'm cooked. But we shall see.
Let's
Wait,
see.
why is... Oh no, it's about the same.
Okay, long in that bitch.
Imagine the ES breakdown is just for us to go higher on the 5-minute. That would actually blow me.
Long in that
Like
bitch.
this. If we do, it's cooked. I should just get out. It's cooked. It's cooked. Horrible. Whatever. We're in this bitch. We might as well
Okay.
see where it goes.
Let's see. Me gustaría que aquí en Q.
Low resistance.
No, tampoco quiero poner mi stop
See what
loss right
NASDAQ
here.
does. If we break above this, then it's obvious that we're cooked.
Let me cancel this. En verdad. Okay. To 4-hour highs.
Looks like I'm gonna get smacked out.
Mm.
Looks like I'm definitely gonna get smacked out.
Fuck, yo diría. Acho, este sería mi único TP, to be honest. I'm not going to be hopes and dreams and target this bitch up right here. Oh, bueno.
So what if this loses? I'm
Yeah.
out
Mm.
45.
Yo lo veo posible, to be honest.
Shit's definitely gonna take me out.
Lo veo bastante posible.
Believe it or not, I mean, because
Pate.
this to me seems like we're going to break 5-minute structure and inverse this gap, that would mean that I would want to long ES. So I got stopped out of that on both of these. So I'm down 45.
Ese 5 aquí. Y otro 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 right here. Okay, let's see. Was if Nasdaq has a break of structure to the upside, we're cooking.
I would want to see.
Sé que tomé el trade después de las 10:30, pero los otros días aprendí que puedo tomar el trade después de las 10:40 or something like that, you know?
At these 5-minute highs. But to be fair, if we end up breaking this all the way to the upside, we break this and inverse this, then there's what we have. These previous day highs. I kind of like that.
Vita, previous day highs, bro. They're looking juicy.
How much would I have to enter back in with though? 45, risk an extra like 20.
Okay, yeah, Nasdaq break structure to the upside. Okay, it's looking good to me.
We could come all the way back down and just wick this shit out.
También. Pero no creo. Fuck.
What? There's how much seconds left? Yeah, bro.
It could be possible, bro. 10 seconds. Vamos a ver.
Is that worth it?
Ok. Break structure to the upside. En el Nasdaq. ¿Qué hacemos de este gap right here? Sí, pero mira aquí, like, we're going higher. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So, okay, bro, we're going to grab this highs at least, bro. En el Nasdaq. Bueno, en verdad, ya we grab estos highs. Y para que Nasdaq toque estos highs, estos son all time highs. Y como que.
That might be worth it. So do a full risk of.
Dios mío, pate muchas líneas, bro. Holy fuck. Yo creo que we're pretty good, to be honest. Bueno, pues mira, guys. Hacho, en verdad que peace. Hacho, ahora voy para el gym. Voy a estar como que pendiente al trade. Hacho, pero tengo que ir para el gym, brother. No puedo comer mierda, ¿sabes? Me encantaría comer mierda aquí, quedarme aquí comiendo mierda. Pero lo voy a estar managing en el celular. Y cuando anda, pero le hice un hoyo a esto. Holy shit. Cuando
Okay,
Cuando
so
vuelva,
I'm
pues
just
ajá,
risking
digo
an
si perdí o
extra
gané.
10K on this. And then on this, there's like a clean 2K flat. So if I end up losing on this one, then that'll be 55,000.
Bueno, pero come
loss
on,
in the
guys.
day for me, and then
Bro,
2,000
hablamos ahorita,
profit.
chicos.
So
Peace. Dame darle
see
pausa.
what
Fuck.
happens.
Ahora sí. Peace. Bueno, muchachones, right now. Fuck. I'm kinda cooked right now. Porque pues ajá, fui para el gym. Hice mi cardio in. And as you would see right now, bitches. El precio tocó mi first TP y second TP. Pero my third TP, we got edged. Ok. Yo me dije, como que después de que si Nasdaq tocaba estos highs, yo iba a salir. Pero dije, coño, bro, there's no way. Estamos bastante cerca de estos 4-hour highs. Está la probabilidad de que subamos. Pero no. We made a massive reversal. Pero está bien, overall, nos hicimos 329. No está mal. No está mal. ¿Qué es esto? What the fuck? No. No está nada mal. Me hubiese gustado si hubiese cogido full TP right here. Y si yo hubiese cogido full TP, que compré con 9. Vamos a ver, después de este inverse valley gap. fuck. 9. Boom. Stop loss. Acá. Voy a decir mi last TP aquí. Played. Boom. Aquí lo tocamos. Okay. Boom. Partial. Cerramos 5, dejamos 4. Creo que ya el precio aquí justo tocó. No, mentira. Aquí. Ah, bueno, it's the same shit. What the fuck. Me hubiese hecho un 460. Iba a ser mejor, en verdad. Nah, bro, it's good shit, to be honest. Mañana es otro día. Mañana no hay noticia tampoco. So, like, we're chilling. Pero good shit, yes. Good shit. Vamos a ver si podemos turn out este week break even, por lo menos. Para por lo menos tener la cuenta en 50,000, you know. Pero bueno, dale, let's go, guys. Peace. O bueno, dame explicar más o menos el trade. Vamos a explicarlo. Ok. Justo cuando abrió el mercado, we break structure to the upside. En los dos indexes, pum, pum. El precio hizo este Fair Value Gap, pum. Y yo estaba esperando si el precio respetaba este Fair Value Gap, we going higher. Pero también tocamos estos London Highs y Asia Highs aquí en NQ. Y en ES tocamos los London Highs, so que también tenemos la posibilidad de reverse of it. So que lo que el precio hizo, we inverse este gap. So que yo dije, coño, ok. Si el precio inverse este gap y tocamos equilibrium y respetamos equilibrium, we going lower. Igual que aquí en el Nasdaq. Y si respetamos este Fair Value Gap, right here. En realidad el precio nunca terminó haciendo... Como que nunca terminó tocando el Fair Value Gap por equilibrium. Y aquí yo creo que... Sí, aquí NQ inverse el gap, pero yo quería que IS estuviese también en line con él. Como que también que IS hiciera un break of structure o un inverse Fair Value Gap through downside. Y a las 10:11 IS seguía... Bueno, no es que seguía bullish, porque en realidad estaba bearish. Pero IS no me respetaba este gap. Like, no me hacía ningún break of structure to the downside, you know. Y después lo que el precio hizo un break of structure to the upside aquí a las 10:30 en los dos indexes. Y después de ahí yo marqué equilibrium. Yo vi que ES inverse este gap to the downside. Igual que en Q, we break structure to the upside. So que ya después de ahí estaba esperando que por lo menos en Q inverse este gap, que fuera 10:43. Oh shit, what the fuck. Ah, bueno, ok, ya, ok, 10:30. Ok, sí, ya. A las 10:30, ES break structure to the upside, you know. Y como ES ya había break of structure también to the downside a las 10:20, yo marqué equilibrium. Y si el precio respetaba equilibrium y ES no respetaba este fair value gap aquí, we going higher. Y también a las 10:30, no mentira, yo esperé aquí ya, a las 10:31. Yo esperé que NQ hiciera un break of structure to the upside para que me dé confirmación de que, pues, de que ES, digo, de que NQ quiere seguir subiendo, you know. Ah, bueno, me dio el break. Me dio el break aquí en el 2 minutos, a las 10:30. Oh shit, so que, me así ya. So que sí, overall fue eso. Esa fue mi entrada. Sinceramente, yo creo que era mejor. Maybe yo podía poner mi first TP aquí. No, maybe podía dejar mi TP hasta acá. You know. Y como que ir subiendo poquito a poco mi stop loss. You know. Porque estoy notando que estoy haciendo muy poco. No es que sea malo. Como que estoy cogiendo mis TP. Pero como que siento que. Like, mira mis losing days. 300, 397, 300, ajá. Hoy me hice 329. Obviamente, si el precio tocaba mi last TP, me hacía yo creo que 500 o 400. Pero overall, mi risk reward no is not that good, to be honest. Mira, .83. So que we need to lock in that shit tomorrow. Pero we will see. Pero bueno, guys, peace. Nos vemos mañana.